Good day, folks. I'm going to review quiz number 9 with you. Digital literacy or digital lifestyle. Quiz number 9, question 1. Data redundancy ensures that the data contained in the database is accurate and reliable, and the answer is false. So basically, just saying there that redundancy just means that you have access to it. There's multiple copies of it, and that there's multiple ways to get there. But if the information inside of there is not accurate and reliable, you would have no way of knowing that, right? Two different things. The next question here is question 2. The term computer blank is used to describe someone who is familiar enough with computers to understand their capabilities and limitations, and the answer is literate, D. Right. Question number 3. QuickBooks is an example of blank software. And here, just remember my computer runs a little slow when I'm recording it, and the answer is accounting software. Most businesses in Belize, a lot of the small businesses in Belize will use QuickBooks for their accounting, and I think you can also use it as a point. You can also use it as a point of sale for the front desk, and it has a management system as well. Question number 4. Use the Windows blank to check a non-responsive program, and the answer is going to be the task manager. So you can usually right-click your the taskbar at the bottom, and then get the task manager to come up. It tells you what's running in the background, how much processor speed, how much memory is being used for each individual program, right? Question number 5. Data is the raw input that users have at the start of a job, and again the answer is true. All right, keep going here. Question number 6. Geolocation is a GPS enabled feature on a smartphone that provides you location to your apps like Uber, and the answer is true. Question number 7. Unwanted or junk email is called what? And the answer is A, spam. And it's also what we have for breakfast, right? Different meaning. Question number 8. When shopping on the web, it is better to pay for your purchases with a debit card rather than a credit card, and the answer is false. And the reason why there is because credit cards are usually protected, and the maximum you'd be responsible for is usually either $50 or $100 from any credit card company. But your debit card, it automatically would attach to your bank account. So whatever the purchase is, that money is gone forever, right? And there are instances where they have been able to get it back, but very rare, right? Question number 9. Most computers today come with Ethernet adapters already installed. And the answer is true, right? And then that's basically desktop computers. Laptops starting less and less to come with the Ethernet adapter. They're coming with it's coming with a wireless Ethernet adapter, so that is in there, but not the typical cable one, right? Question number 10. Computer-aided design software, also known as CAD, is used by, and the answer is architects and engineers, to create virtual models. So I think many of you might have heard of AutoCAD. It's very popular. A lot of architects in Belize will use that. I've seen it in a lot of high schools teaching students how to use it under the building trade. Question number 11. File Explorer is Windows' main program to find and manage and view files, and the answer is true. That's correct. All right, so you have Windows Explorer, which is basically that's what it used to be called, but it's basically now called File Explorer, and allows you to open up a window and look for different files and see your folders. RAW files are larger in size than JPEG files. RAW files are larger than JPEG files, and the answer is true. Question number 13. Autonomy is a feeling of confidence and excitement from seeing your own skill progress, and the answer is false. Question 14. One method of cyberbullying involves spreading rumors about another person, and the answer is true. Question 15. Wireless network connections are slower than wired broadband connections, and the answer is true. Question 16. Crosstalk interference in the tendency of signals is on twisted pair wire to interfere with signals on the wire next to it. True. Question 17. To remove red eye from a digital image, you would use software such as Adobe Photoshop. And the answer, no, that is the answer, Adobe Photoshop. Question 18. A group of related data plotted in a chart is called a data series. Question 19. By using a digital signature, you confirm the document or the macro originated from the signer and has not been A, altered. Question 20. Information technology is the study of managing, processing, and retrieving information, and select one, and that is true. All right, so there are your 20 questions, folks. Thank you. Have a good week. See you for the next quiz.